Now today I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT web search feature, and we're gonna use prompts plus some keywords. We shall apply some, and it's gonna be so great. Alright, first and foremost, you come right here, you start chat, then click the plus button, and we shall scroll, then go to more, then we enable web search. And right now I want to test with different kinds of prompts. Now I just want to know about the iPhone 17, the latest news, including the sources. So let's try that method. Now it has partitioned two responses, the first one and the second one. Now it will be according to you to choose. Now let's look at the key launch and specs. So we see the new Air, which is okay. It is giving us the sources, as you see. Then it's giving us the cost and market launch. Okay, let's go with this. Now we have the market and launch performance. Then we have strategic and border implementations. Then we have what you may need to know. Right. Feel free to read through and let me know in the comments what you think about this. Alright, let's go to another prompt. Now this prompt is more of a fact. Verify if global smartphone sales increased this year. Include recent data and links. Now this is what the recent data shows. This is Q1 2025. Okay, we have 296.9 million units. That's 0.2%. Then as you can read through, then we have the second, we have the third, then we have the interpretation and takeaway. Now let's also consider looking at the live prices and phones to stock. For instance, let me try this prompt. Let me test. Now what's the current price of Samsung S25 Ultra? Compare prices from at least 3 stores. Okay, let's see. 256 GB version is listed as US dollars 1,000. Now it's down from 1,299.99. Then the 512 GB is around 1,169.99. So it has given me summaries. So that's the price point. Now let's try the viral topics. We're testing the viral topics. What tech topics are trending globally this week? Summarize top 5. Now as you see, these are the trending topics. This is 5 days ago, this is 10 days ago. Now this is quantum computing, accelerate. Then we have AI infrastructure and chips, quantum enabled communication. Then we have deep tech AI that's sovereign. As you see, ChatGPT is giving us why these are the important topics this week. So it's trying to explain why. This is compute leap, then security race, then we have sovereignty matters. Let me know in the comments of so far what we've discovered using this search feature. Now let's also try the travel planning in seconds. Let me try to use this prompt. Plan a 3-day trip to Nairobi for December. Include weather updates and must visit places. What we expect weather-wise in December. Rainy days in December. Then we have 24 degrees Celsius. As you see, that it has given us a lot of information. You can pause this video and follow through or try something similar to what we've been doing. Now here are the reasons why you should travel to Nairobi in December. Right, and that's how you can unlock the full power of ChatGPT with web search. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.